In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Leadpages account. Whether you're wrapping up a project or simply no longer in need of the service, knowing how to efficiently cancel your account can save you both time and money. By following these steps, you'll be able to make this change with confidence and ease. First off, let's open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you regularly use. In the search bar, type in Leadpages and hit enter. Now, you'll see a list of search results. Your goal here is to identify the official website of Leadpages, which can usually be found as the first result, or one featuring the URL leadpages.com. Once you have located their site, go ahead and click on it to open the Leadpages homepage. Now that you're on the website, you need to log into your account. Look for the Login button and give it a click. At this point, you will be asked to enter your login details. These include your email and password associated with your Leadpages account. Go ahead and fill in this information carefully. Upon successfully logging in, you will find yourself on your account dashboard. Now, pay attention to the top left corner of your screen. This is where your account name is displayed. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, go ahead and select Billing. This is where you can manage all the financial aspects related to your subscription. Next, you'll look for the section that displays your active subscriptions. This is where you'll find the option to cancel your subscription. Locate your active subscription and click on the option labeled Cancel. This will initiate the cancellation process. Once you've clicked Cancel, you may be prompted with an option to automatically renew your subscription. In this case, you'll want to decline this offer by selecting No. It's important to do this to ensure that you aren't inadvertently re-enrolling in the service. Finally, to complete the process, look for an option that says Save. Clicking this will confirm your decision to cancel and end any further auto-renewals. Congratulations, you've now successfully canceled your Leadpages account. If you encounter any challenges along any of these steps or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the Leadpages support team. They are there to help with any questions or concerns you might have about the cancellation process. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it straightforward and helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more guides and tips on how to manage your digital tools effectively.